What is going on? Today we got the teardown of the 29-gallon aquarium. It's a community tank. We are upgrading them to this 40 breeder. It's a marine land 40 breeder. The stand's just a little bit too small, so our plan is to take this piece of plywood and secure it to the top of this stand, and that'll be the new base for the new tank, and we'll get going on it. Gonna have to excuse the glare on this part. That's about how wide it is right now. They don't have a whole lot of space. In the back of the tank.
Oh yeah. We're being real here.
Got her almost all painted black. It's coat number 4 or 3?
3.
3.
Yeah.
Spread out the blobs.
Yep.
Smart. Alrighty guys, time to destroy your life and rebuild it anew. Alright, this is the 40-gallon setup and filled up. It's a little cloudy at the moment, but you know, that'll clear up over a day or two. And I'll keep you updated. About to add the fish, even though it's cloudy.